Alright, so here I go with my little unboxing of the Dangerous Power Rev-i. Finally got it in, so there we go. Alright, first things first, Dangerous Power Big O stickers. Got a bunch of them too. Little receipt. And now for the Rev-i itself. Put this down here. Bam! There it is. All in its glory. Look at it. It's amazing. Okay. So I'll just go ahead and open it. Alright, there's the box. Here's the case. There we are, with a nice, very nice DP case. Got that little handle. Very sturdy. Very great. There you go. There's my Rev-i. Was gonna get the graphite one, but I'd rather get something with some color. Oh man, this is nice. Oh man, this is amazing. Waited a very long time for this. Alright, well, there's a gun. Up here, got the manual. Nice little tiny manual. Little pictures. It's great. Nice looking, very professional looking manual. Got some O-rings. Okay. Warranty. Little keychain. Some of the DP40 lube. And a very great and amazing Allen key set. Alright, now in here, nice little barrel condom. Alright. Oh yes, there we go. Alright, now here's the nice looking barrel kit. Very great looking finish on it. Little Allen key sets for taking apart the bolt. Man, this is great. Comes with a .693, .689, and a .685 back. And it looks like a 12 and a 14 front. So, you saw this is the first time I'm opening it, so I mean this looks really nice. Very well made. Easily worth the 850. Easily. Alright, well, this is the unboxing. Got a lot more videos coming up. Stick around, guys.